In this video, you'll learn how to check your full Western Union transaction history, including all money sent and received. To see your full transaction history, you must sign in to your Western Union account on the official website or mobile app. After logging in, open the main menu or your profile section. Click on Transaction History or My Transactions. This section shows all your past activity. Here you can see all transactions linked to your account, including money you have sent and money you have received. You can filter your transaction history by date, status, or type to find a specific transfer more easily. Click on any transaction to see full details, such as the amount, sender or receiver name, country, date, and transaction status. Si no ves una transacción en tu historial, puedes registrarla usando el número de control de transferencia, OMTCN. Some regions allow you to download or print your transaction history for personal records or verification. That's how you check your full Western Union transaction history, including all money sent and received.